I just want a microwave.
No, I'm sorry. We're not allowed, Thomas. What can we do? We'll get in trouble with the government. My goodness, you don't want to get in trouble with the government, do you?
Oh my God, I want the
Now, what are
microwave.
we going to do with these dinkies, Thomas?
No, I just want the microwave. My people got, Miss Woods, my people got knocked over, Miss Woods.
What?
My people got knocked over.
What knocked over? Want me to put a train for you?
Just want the
What's that?
microwave. I just want,
Oh, a little train.
I just want a microwave.
Have you been on a train before, Thomas?
No. I just want a microwave. I just want a microwave.
Oh, I know you don't, honey, but we're only allowed to have one in every classroom.
Oh, yeah, that is the government policy.